Hello students, I will be conveying you how to utilize the LinkedIn effectively. Starting from your profile creation, how to maintain the activities in LinkedIn, how to use it in a professional way, how to join the events through LinkedIn virtually, and regarding job profiling. So these are all the contents I plan to give as input for you. So this is the profile page of me actually. So you could able to create a account using linkedin.com. Just you have to sign up. The sign up page that you have to enter your data. So that could be viewed via this view profile. Initially it will be empty. So what you have to do, using your professional ID, you have to create this uh, profile actually. Right? So already it was in this page only. So I have used our college email. Right? Currently I am working here. So as a student level that you have to customize it. So my area of research, that means I am very much interested in artificial intelligence related implementation environment. That is the reason why I have kept a image here that you could be able to find out. Yeah, word cloud I have kept here, and a decent photograph, right? And a decent photograph. You should not keep any unnecessary images over there. Should be something professional, right? How your name have got printed in your certificates, the same way you have to mention. What is your current status? Currently, I am pursuing my research. So I have mentioned as research scholar. So currently, you are a student, right? So you could able to mention as student and mention our institute name. So here I have mentioned this is my PG and this is my UG, including year of passing. I have mentioned here. Okay. So this could be the title. It will be reflected whenever people are searching the persons that they need. For example, if a company HR is searching means what are all the keywords they will use. Such a type of keywords will be framed and fixed over here for easy filtering of job profiling. Right. So for the purpose only, I have created this type of sentence here. So as a student, that you could be able to project your interest on a specific discipline such that it could be an applied one. So likewise, for example, you are interested in uh, drone creation and management. So very specifically, you are creating drone for some agricultural firms, or very specifically, you are creating drone for some e-learning applications. So you have to narrow down your interest and project here, right? This could be the initial stage. So this college logo currently I am working. This college logo that currently I am studying. This will be reflected here. So this is a simple statement which talk about you, right? So you could able to see about what you have to type. So an engineer solving scientific slash commercial problems using computational intelligence. Uh, in which domain that you are being to be very best, that should be your statement. The regular activity what you are doing professionally, that must be reflected here. That's what the term about. Okay. And regarding featured article, that you have an option to highlight here. So in our college, we have conducted India's first virtual graduation. So during that time that I have awarded the graduates of IT department. So that photograph, I got to be something pride to participate in the first virtual graduation in India. So that is the reason why I kept it as a featured one, right? So here, what you can keep, you think that something to pride and which will reflect your stuff or which will reflect your interest, that can be mentioned over here. That should be the featured article already what you have posted. Okay. So and this could be the dashboard. These are all statistics collected by the LinkedIn itself, and the activity. So what you are going to post, what you are going to post in the environment, that will be reflected here as a summary. Okay, so it's about experience. I think this won't be applicable for students nowadays, but if you are working anywhere else part time, you can mention it over here, but very carefully that you have to mention. Okay, so education, that you can incorporate your schooling. Even you could be able to see that I have incorporated my schooling here. Okay, so likewise you can incorporate. So this is my schooling regarding a +2, and this is my UG degree, and this is my PG degree, this is my PhD that currently I am pursuing. Okay, so this would be the way of organizing your qualification summary. Next one is very important, that the place where most HRs will look out on licenses and certifications. So this is the place where you have to incorporate your professional certifications. Here you could be able to see, right? You can add your professional certifications here, right? So you no need to type the entire content. Already they have some built-in ready-made titles will be available. You can use it as it is. Once you type the name of the firm who are supplying this license or certification, automatically the titles will be fetched. So the credentials that you earned through technical training, whatever may be, right? So everything will be incorporated here. That could be the an important place where you have to reflect. See, I have completed my certification. I have completed my certifications. All are being mentioned over there along with the credentials, right? So people will come to know that I am regularly doing a practice in machine learning. I am getting a certificate 6 months once. So by that they will understand that okay, I could be able to do something on this. You are bringing a level of confidence for the people who are hiring you. Apart from this volunteering experience, like so students, you could able to use this effectively apart from your regular work, what you are doing additionally, that could be mentioned over here, volunteering experience. So here it's very important skills. You are you are having the option to choose your skills. You should be very good in C or C++ or Python, or very specific to any technology. You can mention the technology, you can take the test. LinkedIn, it is free of cost. LinkedIn will give you that you are certified on this, right? That will be an added advantage on this, because even LinkedIn will have their openings. Okay, so recommendations, I have not asked about any recommendations till now, but I have given recommendations. Okay, so these are all the people that I have given recommendations on these things. Some of them are students, some of them are colleagues. Okay, so Tyagarajan Anandan is a first batch student from RIT. So he is a 2008 12 passed out student from IT department. Right now currently he is working in states in a very senior position. And this person is also from RIT, right? He's a student from RIT from EC department. I have taken him communication subject. So by that he got very close to me and associated with me during the project work. So likewise, we have the contents. So here you could be able to put your track records and accomplishments. So I have involved in 46 publications. I have involved in 22 projects, and I know 7 languages in different aspects. Right? Learn, read, and write and speak. I could be able to mention it. What are all the courses that I have? Apart from certification, courses is something a long duration course. So that you could be able to mention here. I am having 4 patents. So the patent data I have mentioned here. What are all the scores I am having? That is also being mentioned over here. Professional membership that I am having with the 2 organizations, and honor and award that I have served in as a technical program committee member in Guangzhou University, China during 2015. I have mentioned all these things, right? So this is the way that you have to manage your profile. Along with that, during the profile creation, it will ask you interests. Choose the companies that you are really interested to work with, or you are really interested to listen from them, right? You are having the option to choose the company as well as from person, right? So for example, you are interested to listen from Andrew Ng. He's a very famous person in machine learning environment. So you can mention his name as interest, automatically it will come. Whatever the updates he is doing, it will come to you. And your famous your favorite company is going to be Google. So if you mention Google as an interest, what are all the notifications are receiving from Google, that could you could able to see in the timeline of your corresponding LinkedIn page. Okay, so this is the place where you can get most of their contacts. For example, you have to follow a company. How to follow a company? For example, if you see that, and this is my timeline, right? If you go home, and this is my timeline that I could able to post here. I have subscribed, since I am a teacher, I have subscribed to AICTE. I am following AICTE. What are all the notifications from AICTE will come here first. Okay, so some of the feeds will be automatically ordered based upon your previous excellence. For example, Saktivel Anbalagan is an alumni of RIT, right? So Divya Priyadarshini, she is an alumni of RIT. That you could be able to find out. See, and she had mentioned, right, she needs some people regarding data engineers hiring. So you could be able to post your data here, as well as you could be able to see the people who are connected to us. So there is an option called My Network. Here you can go and see. Once if you give your mail ID and create the profile, based on your mail ID and based on your schooling, UG, automatically it will fetch the people who are related to your seniors, who are your teachers, or who are your peer students who are studying with you. Everything will be fetched over here. By that, using this connect option, I could be able to connect. Okay, so by that, if you come across the contacts that I am having, 3004 contacts are there. Most of them are students. Most of them are students who are working in a proper and branded MNCs, and others are our my teachers, and some of them are our colleagues in my current organization as well as in previous organization. Some of them are my PG batchmates, UG batchmates. They are available, as well as you could be able to find out online events which are running over here depending upon the interest what you have mentioned. Okay, so I'll be regularly working with the Python, so I could be able to find out some Python related contents. If, for example, people who see that here automatically it will fetch something. People you may know from Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. So these are all the people who are currently in Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology, or they are passed out, or they are doing their PG, or they are working somewhere else. Everything will be connected over there, right? This is the way that you could be able to connect with. So connect with the proper people or proper area of interest. So recommended pages for follow. So this will tell you depending upon your timeline activities, it will convey you. It will change in our then, right? So you could be able to follow it. So once if you click follow, automatically whenever they are going to post any content, it will come in your feed, right? So how to make the HR people to work to make it towards you? So how to do that? Simple thing is you have to follow the branded MNCs. For example, in my profile, if you see, I have completed a Microsoft certification. Microsoft certification. Yeah, here, right? If I am going to click follow, that's all. I am following. Here onwards, if I am going to my line feed, automatically it will fetch me the related contents. Okay, so it will start posting me about the relevant content. See, I could able to see about what are all the posts they are doing, what are all the jobs they are ready to post. Jobs posting maximally will done by the HR only. So in those cases, that you could be able to contact them. Even whenever they are having any internships also, they will post it here. Okay, so you could be able to see it. Some internship post. See, this will come as a line feed for you. Through that, you could be able to apply. Right. So even depending upon your interest, I am very much interested in innovation. So wherever in which state, see, this is the I have subscribed to them. Telangana State Innovation Cell. So I'm regularly getting information from them when they are conducting. Right. So likewise, every updation will come to us about our community, whatever that they are ready to move with. Right. A lot of opportunities can be expected here. We have to use this as a way of exhibiting your professional growth. It is not like your regular Instagram or Facebook to post about something unnecessarily, right? See, here is our alumni, what he had mentioned. I think he had posted 5 hours ago. I'm hiring for energetic site reliability engineers for Chewy.com in Boston. Even international opportunities will be exhibited through our RIT alumni. Right? So, for example, I want to share this. I want to share it to my community. So, what I will do? Share. So, what I will type here? From the desk of RIT alumni. That's all. So if I want to, I need to reach the relevant people, right? Hiring. It's enough. Post it. So through that, I have communicated to our community that RIT alumni is hiring now. That interested people can have a touch with them. How they will communicate with them if they have connection with me. Once they get into my network, they could able to identify Tyagarajan Anand. If not, they will connect with me first. Then they will access Tyagarajan Anand by mentioning my reference. So that's the way that you could able to check it. So once you started working with that, the best practice in LinkedIn is use these type of tags. The tags which are that I'm regularly using. These are all the tags. Through that it collected and get it over, right? So the events and the groups. So what are all the things that I have till now followed? Everything will be visible here. So LinkedIn is a professional environment where you could be able to exhibit your professional talents, observe other professional talents and skill sets. You can learn from them. For example, the area of interest of you will be in the beginner level. You could be able to see some intermediate and the previous level people will be available over there by observing their thoughts and skills development over on that you could be able to find it out how you have to grow. You could be able to see the people over there and carry it forward, right? So that could be the case. And whenever they ask you to share the LinkedIn profile of you, what you have to do, you have to click view profile, and in the status bar you could be able to see address bar. You could be able to see I have highlighted this one, right? And this is your LinkedIn profile path. If you share this with anyone, they could be able to see the statistical page of you. They could not able to see complete profile. They could be able to see statistical profile. Very important. If you are using it in a professional way, this contact information must be updated, right? See, as a student, what you have to do. This is your LinkedIn profile, my websites. So I'm good in coding. That's the reason why I have mentioned my coding website also here. My research, this portfolio, this ORC ID as well as Publons. These two represents my research portfolio, and this is my mobile number. This is my personal mail ID. Everything I have given over there. Please exhibit it, and you could have a control on whom they have to see. So you can mention only HRs or only people who are working with me. On creation, it will ask you. So by that you can customize your LinkedIn environment and use it in a professional way. Grow with it, LinkedIn. Thank you.